Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get threads for 2 Instagram accounts. Let's get started. So once you've logged into Threads, you're going to go to the bottom right corner and you're going to press on the profile icon. Then you're going to go to the top right and then click on those 2 lines. You're going to go to the bottom and look for something which says switch profiles. So now you're going to press on add profile. So now it says terms and privacy policy. You can read the privacy policy if you want to. So we're going to go to the bottom and we're going to press on the button which says continue. So now you need to either enter your username, email address, or mobile number with your password. Then you're going to press on login. So I'm going to do that now. So now you just need to set up your privacy and your new profile for your Threads account. So after you're done doing that, I'm going to click on continue. So for now, I'm going to skip all of this. I'm going to click on this arrow, which is pointing to the right. So you can read all that, how Thread works. Okay, join Threads. So now if I go back to my profile and then click on the 2 lines at the top right, you'll see it says switch profiles now. So if I press on that, you could choose either between the first one or the second one or the third one, depending on how many Instagram accounts you have. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.